The following is a release from the People's National Party Media Unit.
I am deeply shocked and saddened by the senseless act of terror that occurred in Pleasant Heights, Rockfort on Monday evening. 5 lives were tragically taken, and several others have been wounded. This cowardly attack has shattered the peace of our community. My thoughts and prayers are with the families who lost their loved ones, and with those who are now fighting for their lives. I'm urging anyone who saw or heard anything to come forward and assist the police in their investigation. It is only by working together that we can bring those responsible to justice and to restore peace to our streets. I have already spoken to the Minister of National Security, and I am calling for an immediate response from the security forces. We need a stronger security presence in Rockfort.